Today I'm going to be talking about how to check out devices in the Minnesota AT4ALL website. To get started, we'll go ahead and open our internet browser. In this case, I'm using Microsoft Edge, but any common internet browser will work for this process. And you'll go to your homepage, and in the address bar, we'll go to the Minnesota AT4ALL website, and that is mn.at4all.com, and hit enter. And that'll bring you to the Minnesota AT4ALL homepage for our website. And you should already have a Minnesota AT4ALL account, but if you don't, please see the other video about creating an account. But since we already have an account, we're going to go ahead and log into our account here on the left where it says login or create account, and input our email address. And password, and hit enter. And then it'll bring you back to the home page, and now you'll see your name on the left here, as well as your email address, and that indicates that you're logged into your account. And now we are looking at checking out a few devices. There are a couple different ways to do that, but one way to look up devices is through the keyword search here at the top. I know the name of the device I'm looking for today, so I'm going to go ahead and just type it in. I'm looking for a HomeAware, and that's a household notification device that helps you notify you of different things going on around the house. So I'm going to go ahead and type the name of the device in and hit enter. And now I can see all the different HomeAware devices we have available for checkout. And you can see you can refine your search down more if you'd like. There's an option for changing the type of category that the device is in. You can also change which program the device is coming from. And you can make that more local to you depending on what program is closest to you. And most of the items we have are going to be in the loan category. And then you can see different options for transaction type here, but we do also have devices available for demonstration if you're interested in that. So you can choose that category if you want a demonstration of a device. But for now, we'll just go ahead and choose loan. You don't have to refine it down by loan, but I'm going to choose that. And then I'm going to go ahead and look at this HomeAware Vibe that we have. You can see it's coming from the Minnesota STAR program. There's different information about the device here. Please read carefully through the information before you make a decision on any device. And once I've decided I want to check out this device, I'm going to go ahead and click Add to Cart. And now I should see that I have one item in my cart up here on the top right corner. And if I click that, I can see the HomeAware Vibe in the cart there. And there's one more device I want to check out. I'm going to go back to the home page by clicking the Department of Administration logo in the top left corner. And I know this device is a daily living device. It's going to be a Lil Nipper, which is a fingernail cutting device. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the daily living category by clicking here. And you can see when I clicked loan before to filter down the search results, that's still present. So if you don't want that filter, go ahead and change that to all transaction types. And you can also see that the HomeAware keyword is input from before. So I'm going to go ahead and clear that so I can get the little nipper to pop up. And then here you can see all the different daily living devices we have. It's alphabetical list, and you can see it's quite a long list. And I know the name of the item that I'm looking for, so I'm going to go ahead and just type that in the search bar to refine that down. So I'm going to use as few words as possible to make sure I'm getting a broad enough search. So I'm using the word nipper. And that'll bring up all the different little nipper devices we have, including at STAR and at our partners across the state. And I'm going to read through this information. I want the Little Nipper adult size. It's coming from the Minnesota STAR program. And it's important to note, especially items with red stars, to read. Um, we recommend that you check the Little Nipper out with the Pod Pro, which is a base for the Little Nipper that allows for hands-free operation. So first I'm going to add the Little Nipper to my cart. And you can see now it says 2 items in the cart, and you can open the cart and confirm that. But it also recommended that we check out the Pod Pro. And you can see that the Pod Pro is linked here, so I don't have to search it. It's already linked. So I'll just go ahead and click that. And that'll bring me to the Pod Pro Little Nipper base. But you can also see that it's on admin checkout. So that means someone who administers the AT4ALL program is currently has the device checked out. So we will not currently be able to check that out. But we're going to go ahead and move forward with checking out the 2 devices that we already have in our cart. Normally we would want this Little Nipper base with the Little Nipper if we're looking to use it one-handed, but we're going to ignore that for the moment. And once I have these items confirmed, and this is all that I would like to check out at the moment, I'm going to go ahead and click checkout. And it's important to answer these questions here. It's asking what is the purpose of this loan item? And in my case, I'm going to choose assisted decision making, but you can choose whichever is appropriate here. And you can see that the HomeAware Vibe is actually already pending checkout, but I want to be added to the waiting list for that item, so I'm going to go ahead and check here and continue. And I've confirmed that these are the items that I would like to check out, so I'm going to go ahead and process the cart. And now it should say cart processing complete and list the items that I'm checking out. And you can see that these are both coming from the Minnesota STAR program, but if they were coming from a different program, their name would be listed there. And that's the process for checking out devices through the Minnesota AT4ALL website. If you have questions, feel free to give us an email at star.program@state.mn.us. Again, that email is star.program@state.mn.us. And you can also call us at 651-201-2640. Again, that number is 651-201-2640. Thank you. Have a good day.